Hi guys, I just wanted to show you where you can find the secret base in Bee Swarm, where the king beetle is. So, as you know, I'll get to the front so I can show you. Right, so when you come, you've got to claim a hive with 3 and click claim.
I better get up then.
And then you walk through here where there's daisy things or blowing things. Walk through here, you can click that if you want. This is where you can go up there, but I don't know. It's where you can if you want. But if you come down here, there should be these 2 flowers. Jump on this flower. Should be like this. And jump in here. And I'll turn the music up. It's good music. So that's it.